25-year-old Savannah Harvey is suing her ex-fiancé, James Enoch, for unpaid credit card charges, wedding expenses, security cameras, and a mortgage payment. James is countersuing for a house down payment.
Miss Harvey, how long did you and the defendant live together?
We lived together since 2011.
And when did you buy the house that you lived in with him?
On August of 2017.
And at what point did you start to plan a wedding?
I was proposed to on Christmas Day of 2017.
But you had been living together for 6 years.
Yes, ma'am.
Keeping house together.
Yes, ma'am.
Now it all didn't work out. And now you want me to try to sort out stuff. Now, when you bought the house in 2017, did Mr. Enoch put any money down on the house?
Yes, Your Honor.
How much?
$5,000.
When did you and Mr. Enoch break up?
On May the 22nd.
Of what year? This year?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, when you broke up, did you give him back the $5,000?
No, ma'am, I did not.
Okay. Now, you're suing him for your wedding dress and some credit card bills.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? And he's got a counterclaim because he says, you know, while he paid the mortgage while you were living together, he said he never got his $5,000 back. That was equity in the house. So,
I have a letter from James that I would like to give to you.
But you understand what I'm saying?
Yes, ma'am.
That he put down money, you spent money on a wedding dress, you spent money on some credit cards while you were living together for
Yes.
tires for him and books for his contracting license and a mortgage payment that he canceled on your house that he was paying.
Yes, ma'am.
So after you broke up, he canceled a mortgage payment that was due.
Yes, ma'am.
Well, that's not fraudulent. He didn't want to pay your mortgage anymore.
At the time that he did that, he was still in the home. The payment came...
Do you understand what I'm saying to you? He's not going to pay you any money.
Okay. I have a gift letter from James for that $5,000 that he put down on the house.
I don't care. That's because you were a couple.
Yes, he signed it stating that he was never expecting to receive that money back in any
Well,
form.
then you got a windfall. We don't take care of people who live together for 6 years, live together as a couple. He paid the mortgage on your house, which was fine because that was your arrangement.
Yes, ma'am.
He put down the down payment because you intended on living together. That's why he spent the money.
Yes, ma'am.
You bought a wedding dress because you thought you were going to get married.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? And it didn't happen.
Yes.
And you have to say goodbye. And so far, it sounds to me like you're $5,000 ahead of the game. Miss Harvey, you've got his $5,000. You may have spent some money on books for his contracting license and everything, but I wouldn't have sued him. Now, my sense is that Mr. Enoch would not have sued you.
I did not intend to go down that route, Your Honor.
Right. That's my sense, that it didn't work out after 6 years. Everybody paid certain bills. You were living together as a couple. Didn't work out. You went your own way. It was a mistake. Just say goodbye to him. It's over. We're done.
If I could, Your Honor, I had a cashier's check made out in the amount of $5,000, and in the memo line of the check it says gift from James Enoch to Savannah Harvey. But like you mentioned, this would be.
You don't have to tell me that I'm right, sir.
No.
I'm just telling you that I'm not hearing your counterclaim. Do you understand? Don't
Well,
waste my time. I have other things to do today.
I just wanted it to be known she's also suing me for pain and suffering and all of those other things.
I dismissed her case. What do you want?
I just wanted to speak on.
Say you wanted to say something.
Yes, ma'am.
Good, you said it. We're done. Goodbye.
Parties are excused. You may step out.